Hi everybody, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my July kit plans with everybody. There's 4 weeks that are predominantly in July, so I'm going to go through each of those 4 weeks with you. So starting out at the beginning, it's July 3rd through the 9th, and that is 4th of July week for us here in the US. So I'm using this kit by Lovely Planner. I believe it's just called 4th of July or maybe USA Summer. Not sure exactly which one, to be honest. I think both names kind of popped up in various places. I will link down below the right place to find it, which is the most important part. But I thought it was really cute and has all those kind of summer vibes, very patriotic. So I thought it would be fun for this week. It's also a travel week for me, so it's always nice to have something that's like especially cute and fun and summery for those kinds of weeks. The next week is July 10th through the 16th, and according to the internet, that's Shark Week. So I thought that I would use this kit. Also, I think this one's just called Shark. This is from Planning Inspired. I just printed off pages 1 and 2, which are these 2 pages, the kind of like full boxes and some third boxes or quarter boxes, and then some more functional kinds of things here. But I thought it was really cute and fun and bright, and I don't really watch Shark Week things, but I do like all the vibes, and I thought it would be fun for summertime. The third week is July 17th through the 23rd. For this week, I'm using this kit called Hot Summer. This is from Counting Sheepy. I've actually used this kit before back in, I think, 2021, but I just really like it, and I think it's very fun for this kind of hot time of summer. So I just wanted to use it again, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to use that in this new setup rather than my standard vertical like I was using before. And then the last week is July 24th through the 30th. And for that week, I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Purple and Pink Mermaids. Again, I thought it would be fun for summer, something bright, colorful, and the mermaids feel very summer vibes to me, which I thought would be fun as well. So that's all I really have for today, is just sharing these few kits. Let me know down below which kit you're most excited to see me use. Also, let me know down below what kits you're planning to use for July, and also if there's any kits I should keep an eye out for the fall, because I am pretty much already there for planning time, as it were. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below. If you don't have anything that you want to say, just leave me a patriotic emoji of some sort, either for the US or for your own country. If you live somewhere else, I would love to see that as well. Just stopping by to say hi that way. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see the in progress and finished spreads of as much as I can show with these kits, as well as my book planner, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.